here, I'm going to show you how I have my water set up. So this is my cabinet that has my main water jug and my sink. This is my desk tabletop that I'm still working on. It's a work in progress, but it covers up what's behind it there. So now behind it, I have a bucket that I have I forget what it's called. I bought it at REI. It's a luggable loo. So you can sit on this, the things in my cargo box that you would sit on the toilet seat, and I would take the stuff out of it and use these bags that they sell that have some sort of gel thing in them. That's my emergency toilet if I have to go number two. If I have to go number one, I basically just find a Panera cup. So that goes right here. Then you see there's two water jugs there. So that one I got at REI used for 150 bucks, which is a lot of money. It's normally like 300. It's a lifesaver. So the way this works is it has a really nice filtration system on it. I'll show you what that looks like. You can see here that is the filter system. This goes over the top of it. And so this has a little faucet valve here where if you release this, that opens it up so water can come out. And then on the other side here is a pump to pressurize it so that it comes out of here easier. So you just take this and pump it up, and that's putting air into it and will help it push out of this when you need it. The way you fill this up is by unscrewing this. There's that pump, and then you just have your water, your hole that you can fill it up from any sort of water source. Okay, so this is how I filter water. Gets rid of like 99.9% of bacteria. So I can fill that from wherever. I can fill it up from a river, or I can fill it up from a Planet Fitness sink. If there's anything gross, it'll get rid of it. So this is what I'll be bringing into Planet Fitness. And then down here is just a simple 7-gallon jug. This one is 5 gallons. This one is 7 gallons. So if I fill them both up, I have 12 total gallons. And what I do is once I fill this up, I set it up right here, and I load, or basically filter all the water through this and into this. And then in here, I have this very basic $15 Amazon faucet that you recharge with a USB cable, and then it goes into here. There's a little bit of a hole down there that this fits into, and then you have full water pressure. And then when I want to use this as a sink, push this back, and I would just empty out this bucket, and the water would go into here, and I can wash my hands or wash dishes or vegetables, things like that, and then just empty the bucket out the door and put it right back here. And then when I'm done with all of this stuff, I have my desk tabletop that can go fit in here and cover that whole area so it looks nice. And I'm still working on the desk. This is part of it here, but it's not working how I want it to. Here is my funnel thing I made for filling this up, and I'll show you how it works inside Planet Fitness. It's so cold.